Hi students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. This is Venkat. Today the assignment topic is the humane and colorful world. This is assignment 10. Here mainly 5 questions are there. Let's go to discuss the question number 1. See the question number 1 here. The question is, what is meant by scattering of light? So scattering of light we have to define as the process of re-emission of observed the light in different directions with different intensities is known as scattering of light. See here, this is sunlight. When the sunlight rays falls on the different molecules, then what happen here, that light is exposed to the different directions with different intensities. This process is known as scattering of light. Next, go to discuss about question number 2. See the question here, name the shape of rainbow when observed during traveling in an aeroplane. See means, what is the question meaning here? You want to see that rainbow from aeroplane, what is the shape of the rainbow? See here, the picture is taken from the aeroplane only. So see the picture, it is the rainbow shape is look like circle shape. What is shape here? Circle shape. Means the perfect shape of the rainbow is actually there is a circle shape. So that is the answer for question number 2. Next see the question number 3 here. Do you know what happens to the free atom or molecules when it is exposed to certain frequency of light? Means that the amount of light when it is falls on the particular molecules or atoms, it absorbs that light. Again that light again it is a re-emit in the different directions with the different energies. That is the main basic principle of scattering of light. Means that when the light rays falls on the different type of molecules or atoms, it absorbs that light, again it is re-emit the light with different intensities and different energies. That is the main basic principle of scattering of light. That is the answer for question number 4. Question number 3. Let's go to discuss question number 4 here. See the question here, why scattering of light gives blue color only, why can't it give other colors? See, you know very well here, see here, why sky appears blue in color? Means that when the sunlight rays, means the atmosphere contains different sizes of particles and molecules, you know very well. So when light rays falls on that different type of different shape of the particles, especially N2 and O2, means nitrogen, oxygen. This N2O2 particles, that wavelength is comparable to the wavelength of blue light. That's why when light rays falls on that N2O2 molecules, it exposes that which color, that is blue in color, blue in color. So that is the main reason for the why sky appears blue in color. That's the main process. When the light rays falls on the N2O2 particles, that N2O2 particles having that wavelength is equal to, that N2O2 particle shape is equal to wavelength of blue in color. So these N2O2 particles are the act like a scattering centers. So that's why that scattering centers of the N2O2 particles gives finally blue in color. That's why the sky appears blue in color. So that is the answer for question number 4. See next question number 5 here. Explain the formation of rainbow. Means how the rainbow is formed. See here, when the light rays falls on a tiny water droplets. See, this is the water droplets. So each water droplet act like a glass prism. You know very well how the glass prism gives the colors. So when the sunlight rays falls on a first surface of the water surface, after that it is formed refraction. First the sunlight rays touches the first surface of the water drop. After this light ray is refracted. First this light ray is refracted. After refraction, that white sunlight is nothing but white light. That white light gives that 7 colors, 7 combination of colors, like rainbow colors gives. So that white light splits into 7 colors. The 7 colors again it touches the another surface of the water drop. This is another surface. So this from red to violet colors again touches the other surface of the water drop. Again it is reflection takes place. Means here reflection means total internal reflection, TIR. So when the total internal reflection is acts, again these colors are reflected and with different angles from the normal light. See here, you have to observe here, this is a red color and this is a violet color. So, first you have to check that what are the angles between the red color and sunlight. From the sunlight rays and red color have the 42 degrees, and also the red color is deviated is here, it is less deviated, and it make the more angle 42 degrees. And see here violet color, the angle between that sunlight rays and violet color, that angle is 40 degrees. So, and also the red color is it is very more deviated, and red color deviates very less deviation. So, finally, the remaining colors is formed between the 40 to 42 degrees. The remaining colors formed between 40 to 42 degrees. So, that is why you have to see that backside of the water drops, it look like the 7 colors of rainbow is formed. That is due to dispersion of light. What is the main reason here? That is due to dispersion of light. So, this is the formation of rainbow. Okay, I think you understand what we discussed today assignment. Next time we will meet one more assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.